In July 2024, Canon shook the industry by announcing two of its most powerful cameras ever, the flagship EOS R1 and the versatile EOS R5 Mark II. While they share a technological foundation, they are built for very different missions. One is a speed demon, the other a resolution powerhouse. The EOS R1 is the new 1 Series flagship, designed for ultimate speed and reliability in the toughest professional environments. The R5 Mark II is the high-resolution hybrid, balancing incredible performance with a sensor that captures every tiny detail. The first thing you'll notice is the size. The R1 features an integrated vertical grip for maximum battery life and handling stability. Under the hood, both use back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensors, but the resolution gap is massive, 24 megapixels for the R1 versus 45 for the R5 II. The R5 Mark II's 45 megapixels give you incredible cropping flexibility, making it the better choice for studio, landscape, and commercial work. However, the R1's lower pixel density means larger pixels, leading to superior low-light performance and a higher native ISO ceiling. Both cameras debut the new Digic accelerator processor, which works alongside the Digic X chip to power advanced AI features. This allows for Action Priority AF, which recognizes specific sports like soccer or basketball and automatically tracks the player performing the key action. Imagine your camera knowing exactly when a shot is about to be taken and moving the focus point before you even react. That's the power here. The R1 goes a step further with cross-type AF, making it even more tenacious when tracking subjects through obstructions like branches or fences. Speed is where the R1 leads, offering 40 frames per second bursts with a buffer that clears almost instantly to its dual CF Express slots. Both can upscale images in camera using neural networks, the R1 to 96 megapixels and the R5 II to a staggering 179 megapixels. Video creators will lean toward the R5 Mark II for its 8K RAW capabilities at 60p, making it a high-end cinema tool in a small body. The R1 tops out at 6K RAW due to its resolution, but it's a thermal tank, capable of recording oversampled 4K for nearly 2 hours. To match that endurance, the R5 II requires an optional cooling fan grip to sustain high-resolution recording without overheating. The R1's viewfinder is also a massive upgrade, with a 9.44 million dot resolution that feels incredibly lifelike during fast action. The R5 Mark II retains the familiar, compact layout the series is known for, making it easier to carry for long wedding or travel days. Connectivity is key for the R1, featuring a built-in 2.5 Gbps Ethernet port for instant data transmission at major sporting events. While the R1 uses dual CF Express slots for match speed, the R5 II has one CF Express and one SD slot, which is convenient but slower. Then there's the price. At over $6,000, the R1 is a serious investment for those who need absolute reliability. Choose the R1 if you're a sports or news photographer who cannot afford to miss a single frame no matter the conditions. Choose the R5 Mark II if you need that 45 megapixel resolution for detail-heavy work and high-resolution video production. Both cameras represent the absolute pinnacle of Canon's mirrorless tech. It's not about which is better, but which tool fits your specific workflow. So, which one would you pick for your next shoot? Let us know in the comments.